Hi everyone, this is Abdul here with another video tutorial on PoodLL. PoodLL is one of the best utilities we find with Moodle Editor. With PoodLL we can upload video clips, audio clips, images and even widgets. It's useful for teachers and especially language teachers find it really exciting. Let's see how it works. First of all, we can go to Moodle and let me start a new discussion topic on my course section. So when you click the discussion, adding new discussion topic icon, we come to this section, and here we have to add a title. Okay, let me type Moodle here. So this is the title, and when you start uploading your item, you can see these editing buttons. So here there are a couple of icons at the top, and when you click this show or hide advanced button icon, the first icon, you find more, and the last 5 icons belong to this PoodLL editor, PoodLL section, PoodLL application. And let's see how each one of it works. Let's click the first one, recording icon, and when you click the recording icon, this window pops up, and so you can start recording by clicking this one, record button, and you can play it afterwards to try if your recorded text is audio clip is really good enough, and if it is good enough you can start uploading it. After uploading it you can insert it. So let's try one. Let me start. Hello, let me stop. We can try it. So the audio clip is not that much bad. I can just click upload. So it's being uploaded successfully. The next task is to insert this clip onto Moodle. Now I have uploaded my MP3 clip onto Moodle. So this is how it looks like when you upload it, and you can post it to forum. And when you post it to forum, the uploaded text look like this. Let's see how it look like. Let me click PoodLL. This is the discussion topic I have added. Let me click it. Now it's being loaded. Yeah, this is the way how it look like this and look like, and we can click it and see. Yeah, it works. So this is the way how we upload an audio clip onto Moodle with PoodLL. Let me edit it. We can add other buttons to other items too. Let's see how other buttons work. Let's come back. Let me click this icon, and so we have already tested this one. Let me click the video button. Again another window pops up, very much like the audio recording button. When you click it you find the same kind of window popped up. So we have this. Here also we have to we can do 3 things. You can record your video, you can play it, you can upload it. Let me click one. Let me click one. Hello. Okay, there is some error. I think we can start again. Hello. Let me stop. Let me try it out. Okay, it's okay. Now I can upload it. Uploading is being done. So 100% is uploaded successfully. Now I can insert. So the first one was an MP3 audio clip, and now we have got MP4 video clip. So this is also being uploaded. You can see this link here shown here, and we can save changes. And once you save changes, that item 2 will be added successfully onto Moodle page. Let's see how it look like, how it looks like. Okay, come back. This is the way how, let me play it. Okay, there is some error here. Maybe let's go back to, so this is the way how we do it. So we can, it's being converted, I think, and we need not wait here. We can go back and do the other task. So we have uploaded an audio clip, a video clip. Now the next task is to try the third icon here, third PoodLL application here. Let's see what it is. It is the drawing board icon. You can very much like the whiteboard. With the board, you can draw images. You can select particular color. Let me select a particular color. I think we can do it. We can draw whatever you like. My drawing is not that much good, but you can bear up with me. So this is supposed to be a house image. You can draw the moon here. You can select another color and draw some coconut trees. Okay, in Kerala, in my country, there are the coconut trees are in plenty. You can find it anywhere. The very name of Kerala is derived from Kera. Kera means coconut. Okay, let me stop it. Let me save my picture. Uploaded successfully. And now the next thing for me is to insert. So we have done three things: audio, video, and image drawing. Okay, now let me go back. So we have to save changes, and once you save changes, the uploading inserting function will be completed. So we have to do this every time we upload an item. And now let me go back and edit it. Let's see if there are any other buttons to try out. So we have seen three items. Let's see the fourth one. Yeah, fourth one is the picture camera icon. Okay, if you click it, you can take an image. Let me take my picture. Let me take my picture. Then okay. Okay, I took my picture. Let me insert it. Oh my god, I forgot to upload it. We have to do it once more. Take a picture. Okay, let me click the take a picture button, camera button. Now my next task is to upload it. Okay, when you upload it, yeah, let's see how it is being uploaded. Okay, then let's see. Okay, fine. Uploaded successfully. Good. Now we can insert it. So three things. So it was hidden behind some other message. Okay. So we have seen images, we have seen videos, and the last one is to add. So we have the fifth icon here, and with which we can insert widgets. So there are so many widgets available here. We have a stopwatch. We have different two types of stopwatches. We have PoodLL calculator. We have YouTube. Maybe some other thing will also come along soon. Let's see how a stopwatch can be uploaded. I am inserting a stopwatch. So our stopwatch is being inserted, and we can click save so that this insertion this activity will be completed. Okay, now I have saved my changes. My network is a bit slow today, I think, as usual. Okay, yeah, it looks like everything is being done. The next one is to add Yeah, this is the stopwatch. We can try out another one more thing. Let me edit my submission, and when I edit it, you can see, let's see if there are other widgets that we can try out. Okay, let me click this button and see, click the last one, YouTube. Let's see how a YouTube widget is been adjusted, been accommodated on Moodle. Let me give it YT like that. Let me insert. And after inserting, I will have to save changes. So this is the way how we upload different types of media, text media inputs onto Moodle with PoodLL. PoodLL is really very useful tool for teachers, especially language teachers. Thank you for watching. Do come out with your valuable comments. Bye bye.